Welcome student in computer class. In the previous class we have completed our primary memory. So today we will start the secondary memory. Secondary memory. In the previous class we discussed about the primary memory, what is the function of the primary memory and how to reach the primary memory and how works the primary memory. Now it's a turn to secondary memory. What is secondary memory and why we use this one? So secondary memory is also a type of computer's memory. So in the previous class we saw there is a temporary memory and permanent memory. So the primary memory is the temporary memory. Temporary memory means we cannot save the data for the long term in the primary memory. So if we have to save our data for the long term, for the further use, we have to use or we have to save our data into secondary memory. So there are some types of secondary memory in which we are saving our data for the permanent basis. So you know this. The first one is the flash drive. Flash drive. It's also known as a pen drive. Hard disk. Hard disk and flash drive. Flash drive and pen drive, it's a USB storage device. It's a little one in a size but huge in the capacity. देखने में छोटी होती है ये, इसका कुछ शेप ऐसा होता है. यहाँ पे USB के थ्रू हम क्या करते हैं, कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट करते हैं. साइज में छोटा होता है बट इसकी कैपेसिटी जो होती है वो हाई होती है. एज पर आवर रिक्वायरमेंट्स वी कैन परचेज इन द मार्केट. सो इट्स इजी टू कैरी, means it's a portable device. If you want to carry one place to the another place, we can keep in your pocket easily. So the first one is the flash drive. Second one is the hard disk. It's a mostly used or mostly used in a computer system, and it's a permanent memory. All the secondary memory are the permanent. The drive is also permanent memory and hard disk is the also a permanent memory. The size something like this, and there is a movable track and there is a such shape like this, and we keep our data into this one, and this hard disk actually internally the structure like this, and there is a lots of track is there, and we save our data into this one. Clear? This is known as the track, and this one is the sector. So this is the internal structure of the hard disk. Now we have to only know about the what is the secondary memory and what is the primary memory, what is the function of the primary memory and what is the function of the secondary memory. So just focus on it. To keep our data on the permanent basis, we use the secondary memory. There is more types of secondary memory like magnetic tape, earlier we have talked about it. Why? I told you that on the behalf of access, on the basis of access, we categorize our memory into two parts: the random access and the sequential access. So this magnetic tape, there is the magnetic ribbon rounded here and connected to the second wheel. That is the magnetic tape, पुराने टेप रिकॉर्डर में यूज होता था. नेक्स्ट वन है आपका CD ROM. ROM, you know, read only memory, and the CD stand for compact disc. CD stand for compact disc. Compact disc. So it's also a permanent memory. CD is also a permanent memory which is used to keep our data on the permanent basis. There is the two types of CD-ROM, the CD-R and CD-RW. CD look like a wheel and there is a colorful magnetic layer is there. It's a colorful look. Look like this one. This one is the filled by colorful layer in which we are saving our data. It's also internally divided into sector and tracks. It's also divided into sector and tracks. Clear? So what is the CD mean by CD-R and CD-RW? That means the CD compact disc recordable. And this one is the CD rewritable. So what is the meaning of a recordable and rewritable? As in the term of ROM, we know the read only memory. That means once we saved our data into CD, we cannot manipulate it. एक बार जो डेटा हमारा सेव हो गया, हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते. तो इसमें दो टाइप आता है. एक CD जो R आता है मार्केट में, इसको परचेज भूमि के परचेज करने के लिए हमको CD चाहिए और CD रीराइटेबल चाहिए, इजीली मिल जाता है. तो CD-R जो होता है CD रिकॉर्डेबल, एक बार इसमें डेटा सेव हो गया, देन यू कैन नॉट मैनिपुलेट इट. इट्स size is 700 MB. It's a fixed size 700 MB. If you save your 200 MB in a disk and the rest 500 MB left, you cannot use that 5 MB left in your CD. एक बार 200 MB डेटा आपने सेव कर दिया, पूरी स्पेस उसकी 700 MB है, और यदि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि 500 MB हमारा बचा हुआ है अभी और उस स्पेस को हम बाद में यूज कर लेंगे, यू कैन नॉट, बिकॉज इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ रीड ओनली मेमोरी. आप उसको अब उसमें ना कुछ राइट कर सकते हैं, ना ही उसमें से आप कुछ डिलीट कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? एक फैसिलिटी बढ़ जाती है रीराइटेबल में कि आप उसमें अगेन कोई डेटा सेव कर सकते हैं. रीराइटेबल का मतलब ही री का मतलब होता है पुनः, और राइटेबल का मतलब उसमें लिखना. तो उसमें दोबारा से हम डेटा सेव कर पाएंगे. ये हमारा डिफरेंस है CD-R एंड CD-RW, रीराइटेबल. नेक्स्ट है हमारा DVD. DVD स्टैंड फॉर डिजिटल वर्सेटाइल this. If it is not audible, downside, I write here, just note down. So digital versatile disc. It's act like a CD but huge in a capacity. It's a look like a CD and act like as well CD, but its size is 4.7 GB. That's it. That difference is the major difference between the CD and the DVD. Clear? Clear, students? So just note it down, or you can take a snapshot to make up your notes. Later you can take a screenshot. In the next class we will talk about the memory measurements. How to measure the memory that I repeat many times, huge in the capacity. Then how can we measure that capacity of the memory? How can we measure the capacity of the flash drive or pen drive? How can we measure the capacity of the hard disk in CD-ROM and DVD? And how we what is the MB? What is the GB? We will discuss in the next class. And if you have any kind of doubts, any types of doubts, any query, you can post your query in a group. We will discuss in the next class. So thank you, students.